I am not on the quest for a guy. Like, I'm not looking for a guy. I'm looking for my next mother-in-law.
Hello and welcome back to Love in the City. Today we are here at Priya Market, Vasant Vihar, to ask women of all ages a very serious question. Would you still want your man to provide for you?
अरे कर सकता है तो क्यों नहीं करे भाई जिसका CTC भारी है उसको करना चाहिए.
Some women are okay living with their in-laws and some want to be the bosses, the decision makers.
I will be living with my in-laws, same house but different floors.
If we were to be roomies, I wouldn't mind it.
So would you be okay if your banda is friends with his ex?
चपेड़ पड़ेगी bro. Female best friend भी नहीं allowed है. Ex से दूर की बात.
What about you? Would you be okay being friends with your ex?
I am.
And at this point, I am very confused कि चाहिए क्या औरत को? How much are you planning to spend on a wedding?
My father would have to answer.
Aren't you independent, strong woman?
ऐसे बोला मैंने आपको. मैंने किसी को नहीं बोला ऐसा. I'm not.
So let's go around and ask my beautiful Sakhiyas about dating and marriage trends in 2025. So let's go forward.
Oh my god, is this the place that does that podcast with those dadis?
Yeah. I love it.
Oh my god, legends.
How old are you?
29.
18.
39. I'm 23 years old right now.
29.
Do you guys ever want to get married?
Yeah, I would love to.
I'm getting married next year.
Wow, congratulations, lovely. तो देखो आप भी independent हो, right? We all are independent. Would you still want your man to provide for you?
अरे कर सकता है तो क्यों नहीं करे भाई मैं कर सकती होती दोनों के लिए मैं भी कर देती ऐसी बात. जिसका CTC भारी है उसको करना चाहिए. ठीक है.
I don't think it's a gendered role. Finances are a universal role.
See, there should be a balance of both. Even there can be days wherein I pamper him or take him out for a shop.
Guys need pampering too.
Exactly. When you are in a partnership like marriage, you end up doing that for each other in whatever capacity you can, because then you're one unit. Then it's not your money or my money, it's our money.
The house and all he will manage, and the dinners I will manage. Definitely, why not?
Oh, definitely. चाहते हो? Why?
I will sit, relax on sofa and read some books.
Do you plan to live with your in-laws?
No.
Yeah, I'll surely.
No, I don't think so.
Why?
I think I would like my space.
Yeah.
सही में?
जोर की.
See, I'm a little lucky. My mom-in-law hella cute. She's a vibe and a half. But she doesn't live in Delhi and my fiance does. If we were to like be roomies, I wouldn't mind it.
You won't mind.
I am not on the quest for a guy. I'm looking for my next mother-in-law.
See, हम आपको लड़का दिला सकते हैं,
आप
but
फैमिली नहीं दिला सकते.
फैमिली तो साथ में आ जाएगी.
हाँ,
But
वो
we'll
तो
make
है.
sure कि लड़का भी अच्छा हो और फैमिली भी अच्छी हो, by the way.
I'm a very family kind of gal. Like I like
family
boy की मम्मा पापा के साथ बैठना, थोड़ा पिक्चर देखना, ऐसे Sunday discuss करना. If any odd 55-year-old is looking for her cute son, I would like to talk to you first. Auntie
See.
पहले, then boy.
Yes. I will be living with my in-laws, same house but different floors.
Oh, I think that's okay.
I think I would love that.
Once in a while, if they visit, that's fine.
Oh, so visiting is fine,
But yeah, I
but
don't
you
wanna-
would be staying alone.
Unless until obviously somebody is in need of something. I don't want to live with my own parents.
Parents, so ठीक है. So hot. Because we are here, so it has to be hot. Would you be taking your husband's surname?
Surname, yeah, I'm all okay with it. I mean, yeah, it's okay. Like, it's open, depends on how good the surname sounds, honestly.
Oh, so
Yeah.
what if the surname is not giving? Then what?
Then I can like keep my current surname.
Yes, alongside mine.
No.
No,
I was born with a name.
for sure.
I want to die with my name.
चलो ये तो आप लोगों की बात हो गई. What about your kids? Will they have both of your surnames?
Yes, I would always want that.
I have a solution.
Oh, perfect.
It needs to be like an arm wrestling match between me and my guy. Whoever wins decides what surname the kids get.
Perfect. I think that's fair.
We need to fight it out. We need to solve it like men.
Why do we have to talk about changing any of our identities? We're falling in love.
I would change it on social media, but I won't change it in like documental because there's way too hectic things. Like we have to change
So,
everything.
but you are okay with the concept of changing surname and taking your husband's surname?
Yeah.
Would you be okay if your partner is friends with their ex?
Fuck no. No, what the fuck?
चपेड़ पड़नी है bro. चपेड़ पड़नी है उसको. How dare? Not
How
allowed.
not?
नहीं, female best friend भी नहीं allowed है. Ex दूर की बात. Female friends is fine, but girl best friend की क्या जरूरत है? मैं तुम्हारी सारी best friend हूँ. How dare?
Not at all.
Would you be okay being friends with your ex?
No, for sure, they're an ex for a reason. Like, I'm
Obviously.
sorry, bye-bye.
Thank God you said it out loud. I am there all for it, bhai. What about you? Would you be okay being friends with your ex?
I am.
ये कैसी hypocrisy है?
नहीं, hypocrisy नहीं है, बस जिसको choice है वो है.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, that doesn't matter. I mean, not all relationships have to culminate into this everlasting love. I don't think that it's a problem being friends with your exes. You should have that much trust in each other and that much maturity. This is a very, very 20-year-old thing.
No, definitely no. Red flag.
Red flag?
Yeah, definitely.
क्यों? मतलब यार दोस्ती तो है, दोस्त समझ सकते हैं.
No. कोई बात नहीं.
कोई बात नहीं. चलेगा.
Doesn't matter. I have confidence in me.
बट ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि यार पहले भी साथ रह चुके
क्या
हैं.
फर्क पड़ता है? एक्स दोस्त हो सकते हैं.
हो सकते हैं. एंड आप
एक
भी अपने
गलती से गर्लफ्रेंड बन सकते हैं. नहीं, मेरे पास कोई एक्स नहीं है. सॉरी.
मुझे भी ऐसा ही मर्द चाहिए जो मेरे इशारों पे नाचे. How much are you planning to spend on a wedding?
According to me, I want my each and every family member and each and every relative to come and attend my wedding.
So big fat Indian wedding.
How much I would like to spend? My father would have to answer.
Aren't you independent, strong woman?
ऐसा बोला मैंने आपको? मैंने किसी को नहीं बोला ऐसा. I am not. यार the thing is अभी एक फंड है. Real talk कर रही हूँ, एक फंड है. अगर मेरे को मास्टर्स करनी हुई तो शादी नहीं होगी. So I have to pick between मास्टर्स या शादी. तो
अच्छा, ठीक
अगर
है.
डिग्री चाहिए एक और तो शायद boy can fuck off.
So what are your plans? Would you choose degree or a boy?
Depends on how cute the boy is. If he's really cute, then I'll give up the degree. If he's like a 7 on 10, coming, masters incoming.
Basically, we are just zero downing to everything. So I think not something that goes beyond until 1 CR or something.
Under a 5 lakh max.
Oh, love it.
Max.
Love it. Even I am planning court
And all the clothes and everything are going to be all borrowed. Nothing has to be new.
Maybe 1 crore or something. 8 to 10 lakhs.
Not more than that.
No more than that. I would rather have a fancy honeymoon. Small temple wedding, yeah. It's
Temple
okay.
wedding.
Not so fancy. 1 lakh, 2 lakh,
1 lakh, 2 lakh.
enough.
Caste and religion matter करता है for you guys?
To an extent, yeah. See, religion matters. If I truly love a person, I don't think caste matters. But घर वालों के लिए करेगी.
Religion does.
Religion does.
I feel like when you're marrying someone, it should be for the person that they are. And I don't think that comes with a certain religion or a certain caste.
For my parents, yes. But for me, no.
Not at all. Not at all. Nothing at all.
No. In fact, it's a deal breaker if somebody brings that in and says that talks ill about other cultures or something. Also on our first date, I'll be like, okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye,
You might be
tata.
smelling nice, you might have table manners, but not happy.
Actually, I'm a Kashmiri Pandit, so I want to be in the same religion and culture. Like, I don't want to adjust in somebody else's culture. It's very difficult for me and like for them as well.
ठीक है, लड़कियां सही जा रही हैं. मेरे को तो ऐसा लग रहा है. बढ़िया कर रही है. What is the green flag in a guy that makes you go like?
Anybody with like a great mom.
I don't know, I guess fast replies. Actually, I'm kind of a girl who needs 24/7 attention, like proper care करे and each and everything मेरी बात भी सुने and if अगर हमारी कभी लड़ाई भी हो जाती है तो ऐसा ना हो कि like वो ego में रहे.
That he listens.
That he listens.
There should never be a day wherein I am just, making someone else listen to what I would want to say or,
Yeah.
to come home to. And he's a family man, so I like that too.
You like that?
For me, I think being a feminist ally is a huge, huge thing. And treating everyone with equality and respect is the biggest green flag.
Somebody who puts efforts, like the small things that matters.
जैसे कि
Clicking pictures of me without
Flowers?
even asking.
Oh,
Yeah, flowers.
candid pictures.
Yeah,
Oh, we would love
definitely.
candid pictures.
Yeah. My favorite quality in my boyfriend, he's loyal.
See, goal. That's bare minimum. Tell me more.
Yeah. So, the favorite quality, I'm a very angry person. I get angry like that, and he'll always be calm. No one would handle me in those situations except him.
पैसा, गाड़ी, महंगा घर is not what women really want. They want someone who smells nice, knows how to text, and has emotional range of more than 2 emojis. Okay? अब मुझे घर जाना है, खाना खाना है, रात हो गई है. See you next time. और तब तक अपना bare minimum behavior ठीक रखना. Okay? Bye.